A customer came in with a complaint about the check engine light being on. I connected a scan tool and found the code P1604 Startability Malfunction, which typically indicates an issue affecting the engine's ability to start or run properly. I began by inspecting the air intake system, but I didn't find any obvious problems like loose connections or damaged components. To be sure, I used a smoke machine to check for leaks. I introduced smoke into the intake system and carefully observed, but no smoke escaped, meaning there were no leaks in the system. Next, I performed a visual inspection of the throttle body and immediately noticed it was clogged with carbon deposits. These deposits can restrict airflow and cause performance issues, including triggering the P1604 code. The solution was straightforward. I cleaned the throttle body to remove the buildup of carbon. Once the cleaning was done, I cleared the codes, performed a road test, and verified that the vehicle was operating properly. The check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned. This repair highlights the importance of keeping the throttle body clean, as even small buildups of carbon can impact engine performance over time. If you encounter the P1604 code, it's worth checking the throttle body. It might just solve the problem.